Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can transfer Capital One miles. So please listen carefully to each that I will be explaining because I will describe everything so that you can follow along even if your screen looks different. So before starting, make sure that you have the correct plan or version that supports this feature and that your country actually supports Capital One so that you will have full access to everything you need. So once you open your Capital One, what you will have to do is of course enter your username and password and proceed to logging in. And then you should see on your reward section is something like transfer miles or something like that. So once you see transfer miles under the reward section, you will choose that. Then you will choose the travel partner and then you will tap continue. You will enter the number of miles and then you will tap next. And then after that, you will just have to confirm the transfer details and tap submit. You will see a confirmation screen and the partner account will reflect the miles. And that's basically just it. Thank you so much for watching this video and I really hope it was helpful. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.